Traders. Got a green day today. Stay tuned. All right. So, looking for that pullback below $13. Got a green day today. Very small green day today. But it's improvement from yesterday. Had a red day yesterday, lost $50. And today I got a green day. I think I won about 20 something dollars. Jumped in at $12.94 below 13, trying to play it back up for the rip. I take the same trades over and over and over, just like a robot. Like I'm an algo trader. I've been programmed. So I want a little more off of this. See how the tape's slowing up a little bit? That's sketch. That's why I took it off. Tape was slowing up, wasn't really moving. Took it off, and it went up a little bit. It actually ripped against me, as you can see here. So it's like I get faked out by the tape, and that's annoying. This is me. I gotta just learn how to read the tape better. But look at that, I got faked out, man. I didn't get faked out. I just sold it too soon. So looking for that next trade. This entry, kind of the same as last time. It's okay, but I let it pull back some more because the volume was just low and light, and then look how overextended it is. See that little pocket here? See the pocket, the air pocket here on the 3 minute card, on the 3 minute. That's why I did not take a trade. I let it bleed out some more, let it pull back because it had to pull back. It was an air pocket here. It was overextended, so that's what I'm letting it do, letting it pull back. Jumped in at 1276. Jumped in there a little early than the crack below 1250, but the tape was slowing up. You can see here the tape starting to slow up, and I jumped in at 1276 with the intention of it going down lower to past 1250, so I can get an ad spot and get in and get my average lower. So that's why I jumped in right there. But it was also a good entry because the tape's slowing up and it wasn't going much lower. But I don't like how the tape's moving. I really don't. This is like low volume. That tape is too. It needs to move faster than that. I'm trying to get that pop back over 13. I think I get it at 13 too. It's low volume, but the bids are going up, and there's still green coming through. So you can hold on to that. There's nothing wrong with holding on to that position. Now I took it off at $12.90, maybe about 14 cents right there, 50 shares. I traded low share size today because the volume was so low and the stock was sketched out. Jumped in there at $12.99. Like, I don't really like these entries. Like, when I jump in there at $12.99, $12.98, that's kind of still like jumping in at 13. So I should let that dip down lower at $12.96. See on the bid, on the axe? That'd have been a better entry, $12.96. Instead of $12.99. $12.93 would have been even better entry. But I gotta let it crack down a little lower than that. Can't be just because it dipped below 13 that one time and it broke 13. It broke a whole dollar support level. I don't need to jump in every time. Like, I jump in every time, but I need to get in lower. Like as soon as it crack, I don't need to jump in right there, is what I should say. So, got some greens. Got some greens coming in. Look at the tape. Just straight up froze. Like, look at the tape, just straight up froze. It froze for 8 seconds. You see that? Got the rip above $12.99. Above 13. Didn't sell it off. I don't know why I didn't sell that. Probably because this will be like a 7-cent pop. Trying to get more. And the reason why I'm holding on to this too, for two reasons. I got a good average. I'm below 13. It's an okay average. But the spread is wide. And I'm already in the stock. It's not like I'm buying it wide. It's not like I'm trying to enter this position now with an 8-cent spread. So, I'm holding this position because I'm in at a good spot. And the spread is wide. And I know that the bids have to catch up to the axe. As long as the axe doesn't drop down from 313, the bids are going to catch up to it. Not in all cases, but most cases it does that. Where it doesn't do that, the volume is very low. So see, I just caught up, took it off right there. It actually squeezed a little more. I could have got way more than that. Look at that. See that? You see that? Sold it too soon. Look at that. Sold right there, and it ripped up. So anyway, this entry is okay. Like when I do these dip plays, like save save the stock. I like buying red candles. Okay, I like buying the bottom of red candles. But say if the stock is green, is going up, and I want to buy a dip, I want to see it like say like 1350 for example. I want to see it break out above 1350, go to like 1360, 1370, and I want to see that drop back down to 1350, crack it, and not play that. I like that. Watch out long plays. So in this next trade here, as you can see, on this next trade, it didn't. It's an okay entry, but look, it's at 1350 here. It just went up a couple of cents. So, it's an okay entry, but I mean, this could have easily failed and went the other way. So I jumped it at 1347. Look at that, boom, got it instantly back over. Did I get out at 60 here? I'll take it off 59. I think I take it off right here. Took it off. That was easy right there. $23 on the day. That was easy. So another little spot. This is gonna be a losing trade. I'm trying to take a little stab here. Like I don't know what I'm doing. Like I don't know what I'm doing, but I was just trying it out, just trying to see if it's gonna bounce from here. But it's over. Look at 3 minutes. It's overextended. Broke my rule. Shouldn't have traded it. But I also did good by exiting this position really fast. Like I didn't lose no money on it. Look at the tape. That's not my internet speed, y'all. That's just the tape. It's no volume, very light volume. Stock's uptrending though, so I like it. My chat room called this out, so that's why I'm in the stock. Jumped in at 13.89. Like I said, I was just testing the water. Just seeing it. Like really, I should had no business taking the entry here. Look at the tape. Tape is very slow. It's not really moving. Got some greens coming too, but 13.85 did not move up. So look at that. Like that's why I cut it off when it dropped down like that. The volume is just too. It's abysmal. There's no volume here. So I tested my luck. I tried it, and I got out right before the little dump. Yep, that's all I got, man. It's your boy Money Games. Hit like, subscribe, like this content. Thank you.